In this tutorial, I will show you brush tool smoothing option in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump into this. So I am accessing brush tool from right clicking here, brush tool. So if I make smoothing 0%, you can see I am drawing a line. You see that this line is less smooth, okay? And if I make smoothing 100%, then you can see that smoothing is much more smooth than previous, okay, right? Okay. Smoothing option has several options here, smoothing options. So first of all, I am drawing with 100% smoothing. You can see this is the drawing. I am smalling the size and drawing again and smalling the brush size. You can see that my cursor and the brush painting has a space between. Okay, here is a space. Okay, so I am now pulled string mode. You can see that here is a string. You can see I am drawing, but it is not painting any line or any stroke. But when my cursor is on the circle, it is showing. You can see now the painting is happening. Let's see, it moved to this side. You can see there is no changing in the paintings or strokes. But when my cursor is on the circle line, you can see it is painting the stroke. Also for this line, when I am pulling the circle, it is painting on this one. So first of all, then we have, I am painting again smooth with 100%. You can see there is a gap. This is stroke catch up. Stroke catch up, you can see that painting strokes are immediately with there is no gap. You can see there is no gap. You can see it is on the middle of the cursor. Okay, so here is the difference. I am now showing another options. I am drawing it with 100% smoothing and catch up on stroke end. You can see with this option, when I am dragging it, you can see here is showing gap, but as much when I am releasing the cursor, it covers the cursor stroke into the cursor end. Okay, this is this option. So I am now showing you adjusting for zoom. So I am zooming my canvas and making the cursor smaller than previous. Okay, so I am now painting with smoothing 100%. So you can see I am painting, but it's looking so much slower. Okay, when I enlarge my canvas, and when I clicking adjust for zoom, you can see this is more faster than normal one, right? Now I can smaller my canvas, decrease and increase my brush size. Now I am again remove this, uncheck this and smoothing 100%. You can see the stroke line is very much fast, but when I click adjust for zoom, it will work as normal. Its speed is more normal than before. So that was for the today's tutorial. If you like this tutorial, Please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.